Hello and welcome back to my channel. You're watching In Flavor with Shamika. In today's video, I'll show you how to make mushroom salt and pepper. This is a simple and quick starter recipe that can go well with your rice or noodles. Let's get into the video. In a pan, I have added some oil. Now I'll add some chopped garlic, ginger and some green chilies. Saute well till they doesn't smell raw. Next, I'll add spring onion whites and saute them well. Here I'll add some mixed herbs and some soya sauce. Now mix and saute everything well. Now I'll add the mushrooms to the pan. Add washed and cut the mushrooms and kept it aside. Saute and mix everything well. At this stage, if the mushrooms leave water, then cook it for another 5 minutes or till the water evaporates. Make sure the flame is high. Next, add salt. Add salt according to your taste. And then add generous amount of black pepper powder. Mix everything well. And lastly, I'll add spring onion greens and mix well. Your mushroom salt and pepper is ready. Enjoy!